Hey, Dr. Drainage here to talk about the NDS Dura Slope Radius Coupling that allows for the creation of a true sloped curve. The NDS Dura Slope is a lightweight, easy to install, pre-sloped trench drain system. The Dura Slope Radius Coupling is comprised of several parts that work together with any section of Dura Slope. Each coupling to coupling section allows for 2.5 degrees of turn, and each coupling to channel section allows for 5 degrees of turn. The grate treads come in a variety of colors and materials and attach to the top section. The top section locks the radius couplings to the trench drain sections. The coupling section height is adjusted by cutting a portion of the coupling so that it will match the height of the Dura Slope section. The couplings can be installed on neutral or sloping curves. This is the first plastic product that allows for the creation of a true sloped curve at any depth. For more information on this or other NDS drainage products, visit our website at ndspro.com. I'm Dr. Drainage. Talk to you later.